Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your small insurance brokerage business. For example, you have a small insurance brokerage business in where your clients can get a quick quotes, view policies and also having a facilities to directly communicate with advisor. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your client send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small insurance brokerage business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of small insurance brokerage, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to SafeNest Insurance Solutions, making insurance easier for you right here on WhatsApp. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is get a quick quote, our policies and talk to advisor. If I'll click on get a quick quote, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will ask for the location. So here I am giving them one test location. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that please select your insurance type, while providing me 3, that is health, life and property. If I'll click on property, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you Mehruz Khan for sharing your information. Our team is reviewing the details and we'll get back to you shortly with the best insurance option tailored for you. Here you can see it will respond to me by my name, that is Mehruz Khan. Now if I'll click on our policies, then you can see it will send me all the policies that they were provided to their clients. Now if I'll click on talk to advisor, then it will provide me all the contact details of this small insurance brokerage business. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your small insurance brokerage business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our small insurance brokerage business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversations that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of small insurance brokerage. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of small insurance brokerage. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that I am taking one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. At the end of this message you can see I'll ask my client that how can we assist you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as get a quick quote. The second button I'll write our policies. And the third button I'll write as talk to advisor. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. You can see here I also use this asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my client in the bold format. Now if my clients wants a quick quote, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option, choose button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question that please provide your full name, as at first I want to know the name of my client. See, here I write it. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your clients, then you can write in this box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of get a quick quote to this message. It is connected. Now whenever my clients will provide me their name, then I want to know about their location. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please provide your location. See, here I write it, that is please share your location. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as address, as location is comes in address. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as any. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. Now whenever my client will provide me their name as well as their location, then my bot will ask them about the insurance type. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the message as please select the insurance type. See, here I write it by clicking on this plus add button. I am providing them 3 types of insurance. See, here I write it, that is health, life and property. After that, whenever my clients will select any of these insurance, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. Here I am also connecting this circle to this message and this to this. The response would be the same. Now, if my clients wants to know the policies, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the policy of my small insurance brokerage business. Here I write it. After that, the third one is the talk to advisor. If my client wants to directly communicate with me, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. Basically, the steps would be the similar. You can also add many steps if you want to. Here I am writing the contact details of my small insurance brokerage business. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your small insurance brokerage business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary information and the details of your small insurance brokerage business. That is providing them a quick quote, policies or in contact details. Without you doing anything, it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.